Hello, little orange kitty. And what do we have here? Oh, our next victim. Yeah, this one's kind of cruddy. I'm not supposed to do much with it though. Just rebuild it, but you know, can't leave things alone. The typical carnage. Tore up pinion. AP1 rear end. Adjuster still well in place, no issues there. This one also has a broken LSD. It is completely locked up. Broken ring and pinion. I'm sure the bearings are all damaged, so this is going to get a complete rebuild. Let's get started. Okay, this is our fresh assembly. Get ready to set the bearings, seals, and etc. so we can start the build process. Perfect. All right, we're checking the backlash here. And we're looking at 3/1000s, 2.9 3/1000s. Nice and tight. Got a great gear-to-gear contact pattern. LSD is functioning as it should after a rebuild. That's staining from the blown differential. There's no actual damage on this, it's smooth. It's just staining from the pinion. Will not come out. Other than that, that LSD is minty mint. All right, we're all finished here. Gonna let that Honda Bond seal dry.